Post-weld heat treatment, also referred to as stress relieving, is an application of uniform heat applied after welding to a component at a sufficient temperature. Heat is applied below the transformation temperature range with the intention of retaining the material's strength, quality, and ductility. The primary benefits of post-weld heat treatment are relaxation of residual stress, tempering, and hydrogen removal. If performed incorrectly or neglected altogether, you may end up with reduced tensile strength, creep strength, notch toughness of the component, or increased susceptibility to corrosion. One of the main reasons to perform post-weld heat treatment is to prevent brittle trans-granular cracking that could result in catastrophic failures, such as the collapse of a pressure vessel or major piping component. Post-weld heat treating applications must be executed within strict uniform temperature ranges and follow code specifications, which are dependent on the material's composition, thickness, and prior thermal or mechanical process applications. Superheat is equipped to take care of all your post-welding heat treatment needs. Superheat, advancing heat treatment for the digital marketplace.